Welcome back to the channel. Imagine holding the future of smartphones right in your hand, a device so powerful it blurs the line between phone, computer, and even gaming console. Well, Apple is about to make that imagination real. The iPhone 17 Pro Max lineup is shaping up to be Apple's most ambitious launch ever. And trust me, this isn't just another slightly better camera and slightly bigger battery upgrade. This is Apple trying to completely redefine what an iPhone can be. Apple's September 2025 keynote is expected to be huge. Every year, this event sets the tone for mobile technology, but this time, the spotlight is brighter than ever. Why? Because Apple isn't just tweaking the formula, they're reshaping the entire lineup. And yes, the rumors of a brand new model, the iPhone 17 Air, have everyone buzzing. This device could mark the end of the Plus series, offering something thinner, lighter, and more futuristic. At just 5.5 millimeters thick, it might feel like holding a piece of futuristic glass fused with metal. But here's the catch: going super slim usually means smaller batteries and more heat. So the big question is, can Apple keep performance and efficiency intact? Speaking of design, Apple is reportedly bringing back aluminum frames across the iPhone 17 series. Moving away from titanium, on one hand, aluminum is lighter and easier to carry around all day. On the other, longtime iPhone users might say, wait, doesn't that scratch way too easily? Well, yes, but knowing Apple, they'll probably market it as refined. Aluminum aerospace-grade durability. Classic Apple spin, right? And here's something wild, the Pro models could ditch the familiar square camera bump and switch to a wide horizontal camera bar. It looks futuristic, instantly recognizable. Here's the funny part. Case makers are probably crying right now, because they'll need to redesign everything from scratch. Now let's talk displays. The base iPhone 17 grows to 6.27 inches, while the Air gets a 6.6-inch old, smaller compact iPhones. Yeah, those are basically extinct. But Apple might finally give all models 120Hz ProMotion displays. That means smoother scrolling, animations, and gaming. But here's the twist. The standard models could get fixed 120Hz panels, while the Pro versions get adaptive refresh for battery efficiency. Translation: your scrolling will look silky smooth, but your battery might be crying by evening. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be a true performance beast. Rumors point to the A19 Bionic chip, built on a 3nm Zor, even 2nm process. That means faster performance, better efficiency, and less overheating. Pair that with up to 12 GB of RAM and possibly vapor chamber cooling, and this iPhone is starting to look like a mini gaming laptop in your pocket, and console-grade graphics with ray tracing. On your commute, suddenly waiting for your train doesn't sound too bad now. Let's dive into the cameras. Arguably the biggest reason people upgrade their iPhones. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack a quad camera system. We're talking a massive 48MP. Main sensor for DSLR, like depth. A redesigned ultra-wide lens for sharper edge correction. And a periscope telephoto lens with up to 6x zoom exclusive to the Pro Max. Add in LiDAR 2.0 and Apple's new AI photonic engine, and you've basically got professional photography tools in your pocket. Imagine snapping night shots that look like they were taken in perfect lighting, or cinematic videos where the background blur adjusts in real time. Apple isn't just giving us cameras, they're giving us an entire film studio. And yes, Apple might finally be listening when it comes to battery life. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to pack a 5000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Combine that with 2nm efficiency, and Apple claims it could last 2 full days on a single charge. For charging, we might finally see 45 West wired charging and MagSafe 3.0 wireless charging at up 2 to 5 WO. And reverse wireless charging, so yes. You can casually flex by charging your AirPods or Apple Watch on the back of your iPhone at a coffee shop. But here's where it gets really exciting. Software. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will run iOS 19 with a new wave of AI features. We're talking real-time email summarization, AI-generated wallpapers, live background replacement for videos, smarter sleep tracking, and even context-aware Siri. Imagine asking Siri, "How's my day looking?" And instead of just listing reminders, she says, "Traffic is heavy, your gym session is at 6, and rain is expected by evening. Take an umbrella." That's next-level personal assistance. Future-proofing is also a big theme here. Expect Wi-Fi 7 6G readiness. And even satellite calling, not just emergency texts, but actual voice calls in remote areas. Storage could start at 256 gigabytes and go all the way to a jaw-dropping 2 terabytes. Perfect for creators filming 8K ProRace video. Or for those of us who can't seem to delete old screenshots from 2016. As for pricing, rumors suggest the iPhone 17 Pro Max could start at $1,299, with higher-end models hitting $1,799 or more. Yes, it's expensive. But then again, Apple knows people are willing to pay a premium for that blend of design, performance, and ecosystem magic. The official launch? Mark your calendars, September 2025. Pre-orders are expected right after the keynote, with shipping within 2 weeks. So the iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another yearly refresh. It's Apple's boldest leap yet, combining AI-driven power, professional-grade cameras, next-gen performance, and a design that feels futuristic. The question is this the ultimate iPhone for you, or just another expensive upgrade? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop your opinion in the comments below. You think the iPhone 17 Pro Max is worth the hype, or is Apple just repackaging features Android phones had years ago? If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the videos popping up on your screen right now for more Apple news and leaks. Until next time, stay curious and stay connected.